Hello you all, welcome back. Yes, so this is what my liver look like, and you can see some liver soft. See it there? So we don't want to hold it for cooking at this point, you know. I'm going to use some soy sauce to color up my liver. So we want my liver with some color and stuff like that. Yeah. Right? We're going to dump in some ketchup. Yeah. We are mixing with ketchup. Wait, I'm not going to do for you the liver gravy as the liver video. I'm going to do it for you because we do liver in more than one ways, you know. So we get with color, we get with ketchup and with soy sauce in, yeah. And it look like we can take a little bit more soy sauce. Pretty nice brown liver, colorful liver. And at this point, you know, look at our liver. Look at it, y'all. Give them a shot over here. I hope I'm not confusing y'all. I'm trying over here now to get my little, where's my spoon, my plastic spoon? I'm right over here, yes. I have my scallion and my scotch bonnet pepper and my thyme on a low flame. Just I'm going to put in my callaloo right over here now, yes. So, I have my liver like this, and you know what happened? Just now, we're gonna look at it. Look at it, family. Look at my liver. Yeah. We're gonna put water in our liver. Yeah. See there? So we stir around and we're gonna turn it now to a low flame. Really low. And leave it to see because we liver almost ready. Okay, you all? But we're gonna taste now to see if we have enough pepper, if we have enough salt. Just a little bit more salt. Wow, the pepper is beautiful. The peppery and nice. Just a little bit more salt, family, nothing much. Yup. And we're giving it one more stir. Look at it, y'all. But as I told you, I'm going to do this video how you prepare your liver in more than one ways for you. Yeah. And you know the liver, it can bring its own gravy. We have our eggs right here. Come into a boil. Yeah, put your eggs when I'm gonna do the or you boil eggs to perfect boiled eggs. You put it in cold water, not hot water. Okay? We have all of that coming up for your family. Don't worry, man. So we liver like that now. So we're gonna put in the callaloo. When we come back to the liver, we're gonna rinse off the onions and just drop it down into a pot. Turn off the flame and let the steam just go right through the onion rings. Okay? So right here now, I'm not chop back my flame right here. I'm gonna put in my callaloo. I'm going to put in my callaloo. You see my callaloo, family? Nice selection of callaloo, young, pretty, and nice. So we're going to pat in our callaloo. And remember, when you steam this, you know it's green, so it's going to come right down to probably about half or less than half of this. Okay? So, I have my butter over here. And I'm going to put in half a stick of butter. Yup. Not going to salt it as yet. Turning down back my flame because it's going to steam. And we're going to cover. Don't ready for the salt. And what we have to leave in the color is just like salt and lots of garlic. And a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. If you have Maggi bouillon or something, you can put that. Just basically it. Lots and lots of garlic and just a pinch of salt, and that would do it. So family, next when you see everything sort of will come together, you know we're gonna heat together, y'all. So look at this. I might just can do my onion rings them right now, not true, and just leave them in there. Let me just do my onion rings them right about now, family. My onions have been peeled. They have been washed. Family, make me slice it so you know. Look here. You see that knife here? It's not a little knife to play with. It's not a toy knife, you know. And may I use it, I'm scared. It's not a knife to play around with. Rings off the onion them. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Rings off my onion them. Yeah, man. You hear my egg pot over there coming to come. My callaloo over there. So after this now, we're going to fry off with plantains, and we have some tomatoes. We're gonna wedge them, and you're gonna see how we have fixed up for breakfast, Sunday morning breakfast. We're gonna eat together, you all. Okay? So see we onion rings them here. We're rinsing them up. Liver and lots of onion rings, peppery, nice liver, thick, nice, rich gravy, lots and lots of onion rings. Right over here. Look at this. Right in there. And I'll just turn off my flame at this point because I don't want them getting soggy. And I'm just gonna incorporate them in this gravy here. Yes? And the steam and the pot, yeah? So my eggs them getting on. Lower my flame too, because I don't want to hold it or something for knock them together. Yeah? Like that. Liver is ready. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Nice liver. Liver not take no whole heap of time. Family have no whole heap of water pan it up, boil down and then something there. When more you cook the liver and boil it down, the tougher it become. And me I got taste a little piece of liver right about now too, you know. Hello, please. I feel with pot in, I feel with kitchen, I feel with liver. Yep. So family, next when you see us, Sunday morning breakfast will be ready.